dari kecil aku pengen banget jadi dokter hewan.
Yeah, I think you can contribute and make a difference in
Yeah.
a different way. Nggak harus.
Yeah, I like people that are strong-minded.
Strong-minded.
Aku suka yang
Punya prinsip.
strong personality juga.
You can choose. Yeah,
No,
your
I
own-
can
okay.
choose who I date. Like that's.
But do you actually like kayak ngomong ke your parents
I used to be.
aja yang deket
Lagi
sama
deket.
kamu?
Dulu I used to be really open to them about that. But
sekarang
then,
sekarang
but then.
Seru, inspiratif, jujur, dari hati ke hati, Luna dan Marian di TS Talk.
Hello.
Selamat
siang.
Suasana yang berbeda.
Asik. Kita nggak di studio loh, kita outdoor.
Bener
oh my
banget.
God, this is the some of the moments that I look forward to. Kita do TS Talks di luar
Yes,
studio,
of
sekalian
course.
travel.
Sekalian traveling, sekalian juga ada bintang tamu, sekalian kita ngobrol.
Sekalian ajak teman-teman cantik.
Bener, buat teman-teman yang lagi nonton di rumah atau di handphone, di jalan, dimanapun kalian berada. Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa nonton sampai habis dan jangan lupa subscribe, share, likes, and comment. Jadi setelah ini kalian kalau misalkan punya ide-ide atau cerita-cerita seru atau misalkan request bintang tamu juga boleh share ke kita. But sekarang kita ada
Valerie Thomas.
Valerie Thomas.
Welcome.
Hi, thank you for welcoming me.
Sama ini kita mungkin jarang lihat karena sibuk sekolah.
Iya.
sekolah di London.
Sekolah di London.
Luar biasa. Udah berapa tahun kemarin tinggal di London?
Ini tahun ke-5.
Tahun kelima.
Okay.
Tahun
So are
kelima.
you finishing soon? or
I'm
what's the plan?
finishing next year.
Oh iya,
Next
1 tahun
year.
terakhir
Iya,
ya. Dan
1
sekarang
tahun
lagi di sini karena di London lagi lockdown.
Lagi lockdown, iya.
Enak dong.
But it's
close to
getting better,
family.
no?
Yeah, no, here is better. I prefer. Makanya aku setelah lockdown ketiga
Di London.
Inggris ya, lockdown
Lockdown ketiga ya?
lockdown ketiga. I went through 2 lockdowns already, and the third one aku langsung pergi. Aku pulang ke Indonesia
Tapi
because
rasanya apa? Lockdown 1 tuh totally shut. Everything is just like stay at home.
everything kita harus stay at home. Tapi yang paling parah itu lockdown ketiga. Soalnya obviously pas lockdown pertama kan cases COVID-nya masih oke ya di London, kayak belum nyampe ribuan baru ratusan gitu. Terus kotanya langsung ditutup sama the Prime Minister. Jadi we were on lockdown in total dari Maret sampai Juni.
Oh my god, that's
Lama. And
bulan.
terus
nggak boleh keluar sama sekali.
nggak boleh, you can't even sit on the grass.
Semua
Kayak
tutup, semua apa
you
ya?
can, yeah, everything tutup. Yang buka cuman supermarkets and pharmacy.
Like in and out.
Yeah, in and out. And you can't even like chill on the grass.
Nggak boleh ke
Nggak boleh.
park gitu ya.
Ke park nggak boleh duduk. Jogging
jogging
boleh.
boleh.
You can take
Just
a daily
cannot
walk.
sit
Yeah,
in
you
the
can't
one
sit in
area.
one area, and you have to kayak harus 6 feet apart.
Iya, ya, tapi memang
Nggak
ada
boleh
beberapa
deket-deketan.
negara very
Iya.
extreme ya.
Ketat ya.
Iya, ketat banget.
And then you decided, you know what? Jalan aja deh, pulang aja
Yeah,
deh.
because the third lockdown ini yang paling the craziest lockdown. It's even more than the first and second karena sempat 7-day average-nya tuh 65,000
Oh,
in
my
London.
God.
Iya.
That's a
a
lot.
lot.
It's a
Very
lot.
high.
It's very high. And waktu itu sempat ada COVID mutation strain
Yeah,
juga
I heard
kan.
about that. Yeah.
Jadi I went home and sekarang sih I'm just waiting for the city to ease up a little bit before I go back and sekalian kayak beresin urusan di sini dulu.
Jadi sekolah online aja.
Iya, sekolah remote.
Jadi you have to ini dong, jamnya, time zone-nya harus
Agak mundur cuma 6 jam ya?
Yeah, it's not that bad actually
Nggak
because
kayak US sih ya.
yeah, it's not that bad because all my classes are online and di atas jam 6 semua.
Oh, I see.
Iya.
Okay
Okay,
dong.
that's okay.
But at least you're here,
I'm
you're close
here.
to family, benar
Yes.
nggak sih?
Yeah.
And
Mama and Papa.
yeah, I think most people already know that you have a celebrity family.
Yeah.
Right?
Which is lawan main gue
Iya.
di film-film gue.
Jadi sepantaran ya kalau sama lo tapi
Enggak
ya?
dong. Di atas dong.
Oh, di atas.
Di atas.
Di
Aku
atas, di atas.
bersepantaran ini sama Val.
Val,
Jadi kalau
oke.
misalkan main sama Val tuh pasti dijadiin kakak.
Iya.
Kakak ya? Iya, iya, iya. Maunya sih gitu. Cuma kadang-kadang
Enggak sih tante sih.
tante
Bukan.
ya.
Aku sempat ada project sama Val syutingnya di London. Jadi tantenya, yang ternyata anaknya aja gitu.
Iya.
Oh gitu. Oh jadi dia pernah main jadi anak lo.
Iya tapi ceritanya
Tante muda.
Tante muda, iya.
hamilnya muda banget.
Iya.
Oh, iya, tante muda.
Kayak lo gitu loh.
Oh iya iya benar. Tante
Hamil
muda.
muda. Lu gak muda-muda banget sih.
Muda lah. Anyway.
Anyways.
eh,
Nah, terus cerita dong. Kesibukannya apa selama kembali ke Indonesia?
I'm just trying to get by. Aku coba untuk gimana ya?
Nggak apa-apa, it's okay. Taping kok, bisa diedit.
Aku nyoba untuk apa namanya, mulai aktif lagi di social media, because kalau aku di London tuh I actually have a really big problem with social media and how it gives me anxiety.
Really?
No,
Yeah, so I feel like nggak tahu. I just don't know why. Kayak pokoknya when I'm in London I
when you're
try.
in London malah.
Iya, when
Bukannya
I'm
di
in London.
Indonesia lebih anxiety ya? London kan there's no pressure.
I feel like because I live in London and I have no pressure at all. Jadi aku kayak nggak di pressure to go on my phone
Ya,
or
enak kan?
anything. Enak sih, cuman there's something that comes with not being on my phone and how it affects to my anxiety juga. Jadi aku di London tuh sering banget kayak nggak mau mainan handphone gara-gara anxiety. Tapi di sini I'm slowly starting to
That's
be active
interesting,
again.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. I thought it's the other way around.
Iya, biasanya
Yeah.
kan orang
Anxiety
dia
di
ada-
sini karena so much peer pressure, social pressure.
Karena orang lebih tahu Valerie di
Iya, kalau
dibandingin
di sana
kalau
kan
di
nggak.
London.
Oh, tapi I feel like also it took me a while to transition into not feeling anxious when I post something on Instagram. Tapi itu juga it took me a while. It took me so long. Kalau misalnya aku nggak pulang ke Indonesia, I don't think aku kalau misalnya berkarya di sini, aku belum bisa be open. And I'm trying to slowly be open again, gitu. With social media.
Terus kamu di pikirannya apa? Mindsetnya apa for you to slowly ini? What's on your thoughts?
I just show people who I really am. I just try and show people what I'm like, what I'm actually like. So ya, kalau misalnya mereka nggak suka, it's their fault gitu loh.
Oke. Sebenarnya aku penasaran ya, kan growing up kan aku waktu kecil di Indonesia nonton TV, I
Yeah.
see your dad,
Yeah.
ya kan Jeremy Thomas, udah gitu dia menikah sama ibu kamu cantik sekali, Gina
Yeah.
Thomas itu kan
Itu pemain sinetron juga.
iya,
Mbak
terus
Ina juga.
so it's a celebrity couple lah ya
Yeah.
intinya. And then I remember dulu kayaknya mereka punya anak aja, anak-anaknya juga langsung masih kecil juga orang
Jadi
mungkin
udah
udah tahu
kenal.
nama-namanya gitu kan. So how do you grow up apa di surround
di surrounding
kayak
sama
gitu udah
udah
tahu. People already know you,
di-
people know
di
your parents,
famous.
people know you.
Di stage yang paling muda dalam hidup kamu. Jadi
To
dari
be-
kecil kamu
yeah.
udah semua orang udah tahu kamu.
To be honest, there's a lot of social pressure, and like a lot of people expect so much of you, and they expect you to be perfect. They expect you to look ideal. They expect you to not make mistakes, and it really sucks because as a kid, I was always taught that image is everything, which is true.
Which is true.
Tapi at the same time, like because of that, my brother and I, we try to be as real as we can. Especially around people, we try to show our followers that people make mistakes and it's fine to go through a lot of things. Karena kan one thing that people try to mask is the fact that we go through a lot,
Ya.
right? And I feel like that's one element that's missing. Kalau ketika kita ketemu artis-artis lain gitu, they really mask their emotions.
Their true self.
Yeah, their true
ini.
self and what
Yeah.
they've been through.
Karena
Sebenarnya,
mungkin ini sih yang aku lihat adalah di Indonesia itu kesalahan tuh masih dianggap suatu aib dimanapun ya. I mean dimanapun, nggak cuma di Indonesia, bahkan di Amerika pun iya. Tapi kadang-kadang mungkin toleransi terhadap kesalahan mungkin di luar, di barat itu agak lebih sedikit besar karena the way they brought up maybe, the way
Beda
they
culture
think,
aja.
jadi
Yeah.
beda culture. Jadi mereka berpikir udah, well, celebrity is also a human being.
Yeah.
It's okay also
Yeah.
for them to make a mistake.
yeah.
Tapi kalau di Indonesia mungkin ekspektasinya adalah selebriti role model.
Yeah.
Jadi kalau bisa jangan melakukan kesalahan.
Yeah.
Was it your choice to be in the public eye?
No, I had no choice to be in the
You had
public
no
eye
choice.
because
I
my
mean, she was born
I was
here.
born-
Cuma kan abis itu kan dia bisa decide untuk ya udah once you're I guess step into
Tapi susah
a
nggak
certain
sih
age itu
when your
kan you can be
parents-
low profile juga
I think my parents
oh, waktu
enjoy
kecil
it.
enggak?
I think they like it.
Yeah.
They like it. Kalau aku sama Matt dari dulu sampai sekarang kita masih yang kayak we're still slowly getting used to it. Even though I do enjoy performing, I love being in the entertainment industry and I enjoy performing. But at the same time, I'm a very private person, and not a lot of people expect that of me. Although I'm outspoken and open, I'm also very private. But it depends on who I'm with.
Ya.
Yeah.
Tapi maksudnya Val, kalau misalkan dikasih pilihan, cita-citanya apa sih?
Cita-cita. You know,
Apa mau jadi aktor juga seperti your dad or your mom? or you choose something else?
What are you studying in London?
Media and communications.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
So ada related.
Ada, ya. Tapi I feel like as performers, we do a lot for the world too, because we give them entertainment. Kalau misalnya orang bosen, orang sedih, and then they wanna watch a movie, they watch us, we entertain them. So it's also as simple as if I'm sad gitu, if I'm going through something, one movie, all it takes is just one movie to cheer me up gitu.
Yeah.
So I feel like acting is a good job, but I would love to try and excel di bidang yang lain juga, because I'm a very curious person, and I really want to know like to what extent can I like push myself to do something gitu.
Example? Like,
Example.
What do you have in mind?
Cita-cita aku dari dulu tuh, because I love animals, aku pengen banget jadi dokter hewan dulu.
Loh, nggak jadi dokter?
Iya.
dong.
Gimana? I would love to, harus sekolah dokter dulu.
Bisa juga sih,
Iya.
cuma lama ya.
Iya, harus sekolah dokter dulu.
Atau ini juga jadi apa ya? Apa namanya, penyelamat binatang?
Iya.
Like,
Iya ya.
Iya.
Animal
Shelter.
rescue.
Iya, itu juga mau, because I love animals so much, and dari kecil aku pengen banget jadi dokter hewan.
Oh, yeah, I think you can contribute and make a difference
Yeah.
in a different way. Nggak harus.
Yeah.
Are your parents protective in the choices you make or what
Uh,
you do gitu?
when I was-
Protective up, or your
when-
brother protective maybe?
My brother and I, gara-gara we're only 2 years apart, ada he tries to be friends with me,
Yeah.
tapi he also understands me as a friend.
Oke. Jadi enak ya bisa
Tapi kayaknya Val lebih dewasa daripada ini, Matt.
A lot of people say that because aku emang even if we go traveling, I always take care of him.
Oh.
I think ini sih yang take care of kakaknya.
Oh, malah dia. Kalau your parents gimana? How protective are they?
My parents used to be really protective, tapi ever since I moved to London, mereka mulai.
Give you your freedom.
The thing is,
bapaknya.
yeah. The thing is like what they see of me pas kecil, they're like, okay, my daughter and my son's gonna be perfect. What me and Matt show them, we're not perfect. Ngerti nggak sih?
Jadi malah mau rebel
yeah,
gitu
we
ya?
keep telling them no.
Lower your
Jadi,
expectations.
yeah, like we make mistakes and you have to see these
Yeah.
mistakes gitu loh.
Yeah.
As a parent, you have to understand that we go through
Malah
these things.
kayaknya anaknya yang ngajarin orang tuanya ya.
Yeah.
It's something ini ya.
It's interesting. I like so
Interesting
my
that we
my
can
parents.
learn
They
juga.
were really like maybe different era juga, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
the way
yeah.
that their upbringing and everything. Tapi
I mean different era, iya. Tapi I think both of your parents itu sebenarnya orang yang sangat apa ya?
they're very like
Asik kok.
yeah.
Sama
Berjiwa
anak-anaknya
muda juga ya.
Berjiwa muda juga. Malah Matt sama bapaknya kadang-kadang suka nggak mau kalah ya.
Oh gitu ya. Bersaing muda.
Yeah.
Terus pengen tahu ya, kan biasanya anak-anak perempuan is always very protected. Nah, misalnya you're close to a guy, you have a love interest. Do you
Yang lebih-
minta
yang lebih-
approval dulu nggak sama your brother? Maybe you go through dulu.
Atau yang lebih protektif siapa? Mbak Ina, your mom, your dad,
I feel
your
like
brother?
kalau misalnya in terms of kayak protectiveness, my parents is the same.
Same.
Terusan pacar nih ya
Yeah,
pokoknya.
yeah,
Oh,
my
pacar
parents
ya?
is the same. Tapi kalau misalnya my brother, whatever makes me happy aja.
Oh.
Dia
Yeah.
lebih suportif lah
Yeah,
ya.
dia lebih supportive.
So
Tapi
you can
ini nggak
you
sih?
can set your own inilah love in.
Yeah.
I can choose. Yeah.
No,
your own
I
happy,
can
okay.
choose who I date. Like that's
But
that's.
do you actually like kayak ngomong ke your parents
I used to. I
siapa
used to
aja
be.
yang deket
Lagi
sama
deket.
kamu?
Dulu iya, I used to be really open to them about that. But then,
sekarang
but then,
iya, sekarang
but then,
Sekarang nggak? Oke.
sekarang I feel like I need to make boundaries with anyone, not just my parents gitu.
Ah.
Because I'm growing up too, I feel like I don't need to overshare some information
Ya,
yang menurut aku like I don't have to tell my parents because it's nggak penting juga gitu.
Ya, tapi kan kalau orang terdekat biasanya mungkin supaya
ya,
lebih
ya.
tenang aja gitu.
Yeah.
Pasti lebih
Oh no,
pikir, lebih apa.
I'm open to them about what I do. I'm open to them about the people I see and everything. Tapi kalau misalnya aku nggak punya pacar and I go see someone and it's not serious, I don't wanna
Oke.
tell my
got
parents
it,
gitu
got
loh,
it. Iya.
stuff like that.
Bukan sesuatu yang
Bukan sesuatu yang permanent.
Iya,
So I
permanent
don't
sampai
like,
diceritain
yeah,
ya.
so I like don't tell them.
Yeah.
Itu aja sih.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kan you're beautiful, you're talented, you're young, ya kan?
Yeah. Thank you.
Susah nggak dapet cowok? Are
Um,
they intimidated by you? Or
I think-
what's the dating pool at your age?
honestly,
dating pool like ya?
Honestly, I feel like it's really hard for me to date because I'm very picky with the guy that I date.
You know what you want.
Yeah, I know what I want, but at the same time, it's so hard because I like have to engage at a certain level with this man gitu. Ya susah. So when I'm single for a long time.
Usually kalau sampai jadi pacar harus PDKT berapa lama?
8 months ish.
Ih, lama banget,
Six to 8 months,
Lama
iya.
banget.
Aku harus
PDKT doang.
aku harus
Kayak pacaran
aku
lamanya.
harus nyaman dulu,
Terus
nyaman.
pacarannya 3 bulan.
Enggak, bertahun-tahun
PDKT
dong.
lebih lama dari
Asli, pacarannya ternyata 3 bulan doang.
Kamu sukanya apa tipenya?
Aku I like people that are strong minded.
Strong-minded.
Aku suka yang
Punya
strong,
prinsip.
strong personality juga. I don't like people yang
Strong physical nggak ya?
itu juga sih. I love someone yang healthy minded juga.
Healthy
Soalnya I love going to the gym. I love eating healthy and all that. But at the same time, I need someone that's not boring.
Oh, oke.
Oke.
I can't be with a guy
Take
yang
you on
terlalu
adventure,
boring. Yeah.
ya kan?
I can't be with a guy yang terlalu baik juga. Kayak there has to be something about you that's fiery, you know.
Berarti cowok nggak usah terlalu baik.
Yeah. You need to be a little bit fiery, not too baik, because nanti I'll be bored.
Waduh.
Tapi gue sering I hear this a lot ya. Banyak cewek-cewek yang kayak Vel gitu, misalnya you know what you want, udah punya some sort of independence, tahu mereka tuh nggak mau sama cowok-cowok yang
Baik-baik ya.
terlalu boring gitu.
Yeah, because I
Katanya
feel like
suka
a little challenge.
Iya.
I like that. I like
wow.
a little
Jadi
challenge
makanya
in my
cowok-cowok
life.
kadang-kadang ini juga ya, kayak act ini ya, boleh nggak sih dong?
curhat.
Bukan maksudnya act brengsek gitu.
Iya.
Oh
Mungkin
iya.
sebenarnya ada tujuannya, jadi sebenarnya orangnya baik gitu
Iya.
terus
Coba bikin cewek penasaran
oh,
ya.
gitu karena mungkin dia tahu oh cewek-cewek tuh sukanya dibrengsekin ya.
Tapi
gitu.
at the same time, I feel like
harus ada respect juga. dong.
yeah, respectnya harus. That's the first thing.
Iya, iya,
He has to respect me more.
Iya, iya. Kalau dia respect Val lebih, coba baik-baik dong.
Iya.
Dia juga ada
Baik,
prinsip.
cuma tetap dibawa adventure.
Oh,
maksudnya.
gitu.
Jadi nggak boring gitu
Oh,
kan.
oke. Tapi
Nggak
jangan
berarti
dibrengsekin
cowok
yang
bukan berarti
sama
cowok yang
cewek-cewek
disrespectful.
banyak gitu.
Bukan. No,
Cowok
I don't want.
respectful,
I don't
but
want. I don't want a
takes her on
guy.
new things. Apa
Yeah,
tanya-
I don't want a disrespectful guy. I want a strong-minded, independent
Susah ya.
guy yang gak boring.
Iya.
Tapi usually strong, independent guys are not boring.
Yeah.
Ada juga yang boring, cuman there are also like guys yang enggak. Cuman I feel like the it's very little.
Oke. Are you dating?
Yes.
Oh.
Langsung krek. Buat cowok-cowok yang di sana.
Iya. Oh, dating sama. Udah lama
Wow.
pacaran.
Udah mau 2 years.
Oh.
Yeah,
Really?
2 years next
Going
month.
solid
Yeah.
dong. Cie.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but I'm
Tapi your parents tahu?
tahu dong. Tahu.
Yang ini
But,
tahu.
yeah.
Komennya apa?
I'm
Your mom.
yeah, I have no plans on getting married yet, right? So yeah,
Kan
dia juga
dating lama bukan berarti harus
dia juga jalanin aja dulu gitu.
suka tapi dia.
Yeah, she has her thoughts,
Nah, oke.
tapi at the same time like dia nyuruh aku untuk ngejalanin aja, and like I know she knows that I'm going through it.
Oh,
Jadi ya, gitu.
Kalau your dad,
Oh, my dad knows. Like, I don't hide anything from my parents. Like, especially with my dating life, the only thing I'm so private about my dating life. Like, I don't feel like I should.
Not to public ya.
No.
Just your closest
Yeah.
people aja.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, that's true. That's
Because when I was
actually
young,
safe. That's
yeah,
safe.
because when I was young, I like used to not be, and it really like impacted my mental health juga. So like mental health is a really big thing for me, and I feel like I'm much happier now that my relationship is private. I like that. Like I feel that contentment, that
kalau emang
closeness.
bisa bikin kamu lebih happy,
Yeah.
lebih konten, lebih apa, I think you should ini ya.
Keep it private, yeah.
Keep it yang apa buat kamu nyaman. Oke, kalau karir
Yeah.
lagi arah kemana nih? Any new project? Any new lipstick coming out?
Lipstick belum. I'm trying to rebrand my lipstick, tapi for now my lipstick masih dijual. Masih
Hebat
dijual
loh,
di
ya.
Shopee,
Masih
di
muda,
Tokopedia dan lain-lain. Tapi aku masih mau rebranding. Soalnya when I made that lipstick, I was so young. I was like 15, and I feel like it doesn't really match my brand identity anymore. So I'm gonna
So you wanna
change, yeah.
sedikit merubah sesuai dengan karakter yang sekarang.
Mhm.
Oke.
And
Terus,
kalau
project?
projects, aku mau syuting PLL season 2 soon.
Pretty Little
Liars.
Liars.
Iya.
No,
Ini juga hits.
I watched the American version.
Oh,
Yeah.
gitu.
From
Until
beginning to end. Yeah, gue nonton
terakhir-terakhirnya lupa.
Season
gua.
8.
Yeah, until
Season
finish.
8.
I watched until finish. I was
Siapa ternyata itu?
Hah?
Siapa sih?
Banyak, ada beberapa orang.
Iya, ada beberapa
Oh,
orang.
gitu. People.
Iya.
Kalau di PLL udah 1 season, 2 season.
Baru satu
mau
season,
dua.
baru
Jadi
mau
belum di reveal.
belum.
Baru mau dua.
Baru mau, we're actually halfway into the first season.
Oke.
Happy syutingnya.
Happy di Bali syutingnya.
Oh, masih
Seru
sama
kan, cewek-cewek kan.
Anya.
Masih sama Anya, sama
Yuki.
Shindy, Yuki, sama
Siapa yang paling dekat di antara yang lain-lain?
beda sih, like I have a really different connection and chemistry sama all these 5 girls karena obviously mereka juga punya personality sama karakter yang berbeda. And I obviously have to maintain a friendship with all of them because kan they're also my best friends in
Yeah,
PLL.
benar.
And mereka juga, kita juga semuanya deket in real life. And as a group, our dynamic is also really nice. Kayak I feel like I can get along with all of them. Tapi kalau ditanya paling deket, kayaknya siapa ya? Intellectually, aku suka banget ngobrol sama Shindy. Shindy Huang. She's very, she's an inspiring person. Dia suka nulis. I really want to know what's inside her brain, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's inside her brain?
Everything. If I speak to her, aku bisa ngomong sama dia like
Very
tektokan 2
intellectual
jam
aja,
gitu.
ya. Waktu sebelum syuting di karantina gitu nggak sih kalian, hey you guys spend time together so you can get to know each other better biar lebih kenal,
No.
kan bakal jadi sahabatan nih.
That's satu elemen yang hilang. Soalnya aku actually I had so little time to prepare for
Jadi
the
deket
first season.
just by
by ngobrol, iya.
kerja bareng aja otomatis jadi
Iya,
deket gitu.
iya. Aku kalau misalnya kerja sama orang kan, I'm also very talkative. I try to get to know them juga.
Iya.
Ya. Yang paling yang paling diem anaknya siapa?
Yang paling diem, Shindy.
Sini juga.
Oh, malah yang paling diam, cuma kamu paling bisa ngobrol sama dia. Jadi tipe orang yang kalau ngobrol mungkin deep gitu ya,
Yeah.
kayak mesti intimate
Iya,
conversations, right? I love it ya. I
Yeah.
completely agree.
Kalau
I
Anya
completely
gimana?
ngerti.
Anya, it took me a while to get close to her. Like, I feel like I'm definitely closer to her now than before. Especially aku pas pas pulang ke Jakarta aku sering ketemu dia. We hang out a lot. So
That's
she's
good.
she's a very fun person.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
very-
Chemistry-nya dapet ya
Yeah,
berarti ya.
she's very fun.
Yeah,
Dia
sama
fun
Yuki
sih.
juga,
Yeah.
sama
Yuki, kalau Yuki dia Aries, so she's crazy like
yes.
me. Like dia
emang
dia
agaknya
goofy.
ini ya,
Dia goofy. I like her. She makes me laugh.
yeah. She's ini
Kalau
ya,
Anya,
bubbly
ya,
banget ya.
Anya fun, Yuki funny.
Oh.
Siapa? Shindy is very deep, and Eka dia orang Malaysia.
Oh.
She's very cute and very quiet and very like mungil. Jadi kayak
Dia ngomong
tapi
bahasa Indonesia
tapi dia nggak quiet. Dia dia quietnya kalau on set doang. Kalau udah nggak kalau offset dia
Langsung
Iya.
gitu. Ini
Hebat.
jadi dialognya semua bahasa Indonesia ya.
iya. Tapi ada Inggrisnya juga.
Wow.
Ada some lines that you just can't change.
Iya, iya,
Iya,
that's
iya,
true.
iya.
Apalagi zaman sekarang anak-anak muda kan pasti
bahasa
mix kan
Inggris.
ngomongnya,
Ada
campur-campur.
Campur ya.
Iya, iya.
Campur.
So, udah launch lipstick umur 15 tahun. You've done acting. Well, you're doing acting.
Yeah.
You're finishing school.
Yeah.
What is your dream sebenarnya? Masa depan deh. As
If you ask me now and you ask me in 3 years' time, I feel like my answer is gonna be completely
Oh, bisa
different.
different.
Yeah.
Jadi
Because
just go with the flow ya.
yeah, I feel like there are no ends to your achievements gitu.
Yeah.
You will always have something to work
new goal,
for,
ya.
a
There's
new
always
goal.
a new goal.
As for now, I want to finish uni first, and then I want to hopefully completely heal my soul and my mind and my body, so I can maybe lanjutin karir aku di sini.
Iya, iya.
You know, I feel like having a career here is so tough because you have to always look strong in front of everyone.
You are strong.
I try to show people that I'm strong, but
Paling banyak kalau ini sama kayak aku, selalu dibilang galak, sombong gitu
Iya.
ya. Yang sering dapat persepsi dari
Yeah,
orang.
yeah.
Tapi enggak, gue pertama kali lihat enggak,
Enggak,
not
enggak.
sombong at all.
It's because the people that call me sombong are the people that never
You
met
in
me
person.
before.
Oh,
Yeah.
berarti doesn't matter lah.
Karena
Tapi
memang bentukannya kan Val tuh
Tajam-tajam
strong.
mukanya kan, mukanya tajam.
Karakternya tuh maksudnya strong character gitu. Jadi orang
Iya, iya.
pasti udah jiper duluan.
Yeah.
But
Padahal
we're rooting
belum
for you, we're rooting
ini.
for your
Thank
dream.
you.
Kamu masih muda, udah mikirin about your health, mind, body gitu. Jadi it's
Ya, ini loh
it's a good,
committed
it's a good
lah.
inspiration.
She's
Thank
very
you.
disciplined and committed.
Yeah.
So I think that's apa ya? It's a very good quality
Iya.
untuk dimiliki oleh anak-anak seusia kamu, generasi kamu. Walaupun kita nggak beda jauh ya.
Thank
Nggak beda
you.
jauh.
Nggak beda jauh ya.
Thank you. I
You
tried.
know what? Ini energi-energi seperti ini harus
Iya,
selalu
bikin
deket-deket
kita
sama
awet
kita
muda.
ya.
Iya.
Kita selalu ini nggak
Iya.
pernah merasa bahwa kita terlalu jauh.
Enggak, me
generasi.
too sih. Enggak,
I
I love it. It's
No.
a good energy.
Jadi gini, sebenarnya buat
Thank
mungkin teman-teman
you.
juga
Iya.
gini ya, belajar itu tidak hanya selalu di sekolah, tidak hanya selalu dengan orang yang lebih tua, tapi kita juga harus mau berendah hati, like
Buka mata lah
buka
apa yang
mata
terjadi
dan
di
buka
yang
telinga dan
generasi
mau
lain.
belajar dengan siapapun termasuk orang yang lebih muda gitu loh. And I learned a lot from you. I mean,
Thank you.
sama semua bintang tamu kita yang lebih
Iya,
muda-muda.
yang lebih muda-muda. Oh,
I
pintar-pintar
admire
sekali.
them.
Iya,
Kayak,
iya, iya.
kok udah apa ya?
They
When I
were-
was your age,
Experience-nya juga lebih
mungkin-
banyak malah ya
iya.
kayaknya ya
mungkin
kadang-kadang.
waktu seumuran kayak kita, apa itu gitu. Maunya
But it's-
senang-senang
iya,
aja,
iya.
tapi
A lot of inspiring
Iya.
stories lah. Kalau kita ngobrol sama orang.
ya, Val, thank you so much.
Thank you
Yes,
for
sukses,
inviting
Sukses,
me.
Piel,
Thank you so
Pretty
much.
Little Liar.
Yes.
Jadi
Thank you for
syutingnya di
coming.
Bali ya.
Thank you for having
To
me.
Bali,
Iya.
yes.
Ah.
Aduh, sukses buat semuanya. Also rebranding your lipstick.
Thank
Val.
you. Thank you.
Kita tunggu, ntar kirimin ya.
Iya.
Terus juga mungkin buat teman-teman yang di rumah, thank you juga udah nonton. Emang ini satu inspirasi dan inspiratif juga obrolan kita dan supaya kita semua belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Banyak ya. Nanti
Bisa
yang
di rewind mungkin abis itu di Google
Itu
Translate
apa
gitu.
ya? Atau mungkin Sekar tolong ada translatornya.
Ada
Translate ya,
subtitlenya.
subtitle.
But it's
Seneng
been
nih.
fun. I'm so glad that Val udah di sini sama kita.
Yes.
Dia bakalan ini nih ada di konten-konten TS nih. Kita jalan-jalan di
Yeah.
Bali ya kan,
Mana ya?
dinner-dinner di Bali, naik olahraga-olahraga di Bali. So
Yay.
stay tuned and
Jangan
then
kapok ya.
Enggak
Eh,
kok.
Kalau masih di sini kita ajak jalan-jalan. Kemana trip-trip gitu
Iya,
ya,
iya,
seru-seru
iya.
ya.
Masih di
Yang
Indonesia maksudnya.
adventure ya.
Iya.
ya kita bawa adventure.
Mau.
Mantap.
Oke.
See you next
See you next episode. Thank you for
Bye.
watching.